In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Base44 seamlessly. This is an essential task if you're looking to integrate your domain with Base44 to enhance your online presence. Let's get started with the process, step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to log into your GoDaddy account using the Chrome browser. If you're using a different browser, it should still work, but Chrome tends to offer a smooth experience without any unexpected hiccups. Make sure that you have your login credentials on hand for a hassle-free access process. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled My Products. This is your hub for all domain-related activities within GoDaddy. From here, select the domain you're looking to connect with Base44. It's important to choose the correct domain, especially if you have multiple domains listed. Now we need to dive into the DNS settings, so go ahead and open the DNS management settings for your selected domain. This area might seem a bit daunting if you haven't dealt with DNS settings before, but don't worry, we'll walk through it. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your Base44 dashboard. Here, you'll find the domain connection details that you'll need for the integration. Typically, you'll be looking for an A record or a CNAME that Base44 requires. Make sure to jot these details down or keep this tab open for easy reference. With those details in mind, head back to your GoDaddy DNS Management tab. This is where you'll be editing the DNS records of your domain. You'll need to match GoDaddy's DNS records with the connection details from Base44. It's crucial to input the exact values provided by Base44. Double check for typos or misplaced values, as incorrect entries can prevent a successful connection. Once you have input the necessary changes, be sure to save them. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes aren't instantaneous. The process, known as DNS propagation, can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours, depending on various factors like network and location. After a while, it's time to verify that everything is connected properly. Go back to Base44 where you'll find an option to verify the connection. This process will ensure everything is linked correctly. If the verification is successful, your domain is now effectively connected to Base44. Finally, don't forget to publish your site. This is the final step to bring everything together and make your site accessible to your audience with the new settings in place. And there you have it. Connecting your GoDaddy domain to Base44 is a vital step in managing your online presence, and with these clear instructions, you should be well on your way to a successfully integrated web experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your domain management process.